G'day again. Just in this video we're going to be just looking at the sort of the symmetry. Is that double M? Oh, I don't even know. Symmetry of the unit circle. And what we're talking about is, hopefully you already understand this about our unit circle. Hopefully this is all just revision. Okay. So let's just say we have some angle theta here. Okay, some angle theta there. And just remember that if we've got the point x, y here, that's the same as, because we've got theta there, that's cos theta and sine theta. So hopefully you know this already. Cos theta and sine theta. And so what does that mean for if you have, I'll do it in green, what happens if you get negative theta? Okay, so I've got a point there, and so I've still got theta, but now it's negative theta. So what we're asking is, what's cos of negative theta equal to? And so let's have a look at this. So cos of negative theta gives you this point down here. Can you see how it will give you the exact same x value? So cos of negative theta is actually equal to just cos theta. Beauty. And what is sine of negative theta? Sine of negative theta, what is the y value here? Well, it'll be the negative of this value up here. So that's equal to negative sine theta. Okay, so that's all we're talking about. You could write out pages and pages of different symmetries of the unit circle, but if you just understand that a circle has symmetry everywhere, then you can sort of quickly figure things out. Okay, I'll just show you the other important symmetry that we get in a unit circle. So again, we've got the unit circle. The other symmetry that we have, if you have angle red theta, if you've got angle theta there, and the points x, y, which is cos theta, sine theta, what happens if you get the equivalent theta from there, like that, then the points you get will be exactly the same as these, but the other way around. Okay, so instead of x and y, you'll get y and x, they'll be flipped back to front. If you've got theta from there to there, and theta from there to there, you'll get those flipped around back to front. Okay, and so what this means is that cos of pi onto minus theta, which is what's here, what's that going to be equal to? Well, that's going to be equal to sine theta, the same y value down here. That's there, okay? And sine of pi onto minus theta, that's going to be this value here. What's the x value? That's just equal to cos theta. And so that's the other sort of symmetry that you get in the unit circle. There's so many more. Just for interest's sake, just to show you what I mean. What happens at 180 degrees? If you've got keep doing that. If you've got angle theta there, what happens if you've got angle theta there? Okay, so that's x, y equals cos theta, sine theta. What about this point here? You know, what is cos 180 minus theta equal to? What's sine of 180 minus theta equal to? And so it's not worth learning all these, it's just worth learning the symmetry of the unit circle. What will that be? What's cosine of pi minus theta? What's the x value of here? Well, it will be the negative of this x value over here, because it's in the negative region. So that's just equal to negative cos theta. What about sine? Well, the y value will be exactly the same as the y value over here, so that's just sine theta. Okay, so I'll just do a click through a few examples, but once you get the idea of this, then it's really quite simple as long as you understand symmetry. So we'll say let sine theta equal 0.3 and cos theta equals 0.7, whatever. Okay. didn't do that on purpose. Let me just change it to 6 so you think I didn't do it on purpose. Okay, so just some examples. Find sine, what's it say? A, find sine of pi on 2 minus theta. Find tan of pi on 2 minus theta. Let's do that. And just one other one, cos of negative theta. Okay, just do those. I'll just draw up my unit circle down here so I can just refer to it all the time. And so let's have a play. So sine of pi on 2 minus theta. So remember, sine pi on 2 is here, minus theta. So what we're talking about, we've got angle theta there. But what happens if we go to pi on 2 and go back by theta? And so what happens there is that sine they flip around. So this is just equal to cos theta, which is equal to 0.6. Okay, that easy. So sine pi on 2 minus theta, that's just equal to cos theta. Because the y and x value just flip around because of the symmetry of the circle. Let's do this part B. Tan pi on 2 minus theta. Okay, so that's equal to, remember tan is equal to sine over cos, and so I've got sine pi on 2 minus theta over cos pi on 2 minus theta. That's what tan is equal to, sine over cos. Same angle, top and bottom. Right, what is sine pi on 2 minus theta? That's cos theta. What's cos of pi on 2 minus theta? That's sine theta. So that's just equal to cos theta is 0.6, sine theta is 0.3. That's nice, that's 2. So that's what tan theta is equal to there. Okay, good. And last one, cos of negative theta. Remember, if you've got theta there and you've got negative theta there, the x value will be the same, so the cos value is the same. So that's just equal to cos theta equals 0.6. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. Use the symmetry of the circle to your advantage.